like them apples, huh? Pretty nice view. Ooh, look at that! No runoff on that. Ooh. That's not too scary, is it? Woo! That's gonna hurt. I'm not ready to leave Arizona. I do like it here. It's I'm enjoying it. I don't have to say. I could spend the rest of my life here. It's close enough to California to go visit on road trips, like even day trips. But yet still slightly more expensive than where I live, which works for me. Oh, how did I miss this last time? See, the last time I was here, I was on that, where that red truck is out in the distance. But I rode out to the edge. This is alright. This is alright. Little S-turns down there. This is the problem with being short on a GS. Being a first would be a good idea too, because I can't reach the ground, so I have to do everything kind of perfect or I'm fucked. Last time I lowered the bike, but I didn't like it. It felt weird. So this time I'm just gonna stay elevated and go back to that rock right there where the red truck is. And I'm gonna do a special kind of droney with the 360 camera. And that'll be that. Last time I went to the right where the truck is. This time I'm going to go to the left because I think the turnaround will be nicer. First gear. And dog's taking a shit. Don't hurry on my account, kid. Take your time. Life is good. Woo. Woo. Whoa. Yeah. Oh.